Understanding Bide One's Time, a guide to English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, bide one's time. This idiom is not just a set of words but a gateway to understanding patience and strategic planning in the English context. So, let's get started and unravel the secrets of this intriguing expression. Bide one's time is an idiom that means to wait patiently for the right opportunity to arise. The word bide is not commonly used in modern English, but it plays a crucial role in this phrase. It means to wait or stay. So, when someone says they are biding their time, they are waiting for the perfect moment to act. It often implies a sense of strategic planning or waiting for the right moment to make a move. The phrase, bide one's time, has a rich historical background. It is believed to have originated from Old English, with the word bide, meaning to wait or endure. This idiom has been used in English literature for centuries, reflecting the timeless nature of patience and strategy in human endeavors. To better understand how this idiom is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, Alice is biding her time until a management position opens up. She's preparing herself to be the perfect candidate. 2. In personal goals, John is biding his time before he starts his own business. He wants to gain more experience and save enough capital first. 3. In literature and movies, characters and stories often bide their time, waiting for the right moment to reveal a secret or take action. When using bide one's time, remember, it is always bide one's time, and not bid one's time. The phrase is used to imply waiting with a purpose, not just passing time idly. We hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, bide one's time, and how it's used in English. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to your language skills, making your communication more effective and nuanced. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.